All right, it's really time to cut the crap. And I'm about to stop being afraid to speak my truth. And I'm sure a lot of people are like, why is she so against conditioner? And why does she talk so against the industry and what we do? It's because I've done the research, everyone. I've done the research. So that means I've taken time, money, and resources to test things to determine what's really better. And what I have found, because I've done it all. I mean, I've done everything. I've done locks, I've done braids, I've done keratin treatments, I've done a Brazilian blowout process before. I have done a relaxer, I have done sew-ins, I have done tape-ins, I have done clip-ins, I have done all types of extensions. I've done updos, I've done Vixen sew-ins, all of that. I've done goddess braids, feed-in braids. I know how to do all of that. I did the natural, which was, I did some bantu knotting and I did some twists. I used to love doing flat rope twists. All of that showed me hair loss. That, like, I don't know about y'all, but my clients come back to me. So I'm able to say and see, I take photos of my clients. I learned to do that a long time ago so that I'm never held really responsible for something I know is, different than what the client is saying. More importantly, the hair loss started bothering me with my clients. And this was not all clients. I just started realizing, like, hey, like maybe Karen can do braids and her hair isn't breaking. But when Cynthia tried to do the braids, Cynthia's edges broke all out and she had a bunch of breakage all throughout her hair. So I started realizing, like, even though I want to do braids on everybody, or maybe even the client wants to do braids, I started saying, like, wait, because something done happened. We done had this little setback with the hair, and should we keep doing this? So this is what has made me pivot, everybody. I don't like doing stuff that I see, or even, that I've seen, because I don't like to really rely on what I heard. But if I've seen something to have damaged my hair or one client's hair, I don't want to do it anymore. I just don't. So this is what forced me to realize the approach that my clients have designed and created, not me. Yeah. If you look on my business, my product, it says Tanya Does Hair LLC presents. Not Tanya, not Miss Tanya presents. Tanya Mason ain't got nothing to do with My Water Beauty Solution, nor the holistic approach, or the hair and scalp restoration program. It was not older clients. They're the ones that automatically knew. They already got the knowledge of what healthy hair is like, and what you got to do here in Denver, Colorado. This is where I'm born and raised and where I've done hair for 32 years, and it is different here. So I started paying attention, doing the research, and wondering, how come this client is growing and how come this client is losing hair and got a hole all the time? Shout out to Miss Lori Fisher of Columbus, Ohio. Anybody that's dealt with me and my brand knows of Miss Lori. Is the one that forced me to sit down and look at the differences and the comparisons of the two. And it was shocking to see, only the ones that are not, the ones booking every 2 weeks are the ones not struggling. Anybody going longer than 2 weeks without getting their hair redone are only the ones coming back with the hair loss. Even the ones booking every 2 weeks, at least they're not losing. They may not be growing or getting a whole bunch of length and inches, but they're not losing. They're managing. They're maintaining. Key point. But these over here are not. So now I got it. There's a specific approach here in Denver that we got to follow. And look, I didn't want to do a water. My dad and all them knows I didn't want to go in business with this water. I was scared to be telling people you don't need conditioner, but you don't. It's a whole bunch of stuff we don't need. So that's what I'm all about and what I'm for, and that's why I am the creator of the Holistic Hair and Scalp Restoration Program, the My Water experience, as well as finding all of these alternative solutions. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got a gang of them. A gang of them. When it comes to what it takes to manage healthy hair here in such a crazy, crazy, crazy climate. So thank you for listening. Thank you for paying attention. Thank you for being here with me. I'm about to get in this shower. As you saw, I just wrapped my hair a certain way with 2 different wraps that I offer and coach on. So if you're looking for somebody to really help you transition, you don't have to book with me for me to help you. This is why I've created an amazing opportunity for you to become a mentee of mine. Allow me to mentor you. Allow me to work with you every day and get to learn you. I'm not here to control you. I try to do that with someone already, and that does not work. I can't even control my adult children. All I can do is be your yin and yang when it comes to your hair, skin, and nails, with some lifestyle benefits, because you know I'm also all about our proper hydration and taking care of our internal organs as well as the external organs as well. This has been another one with Miss Tanya. I'm about to get in this shower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all again, because it's time to take a time out. Deuces.